How to duplicate pages in Canva. So first is to log into your Canva account. Then what you have to do is you can either create a design. So just click the button next to your profile icon, or you can use your existing design which you can find under recent designs. So for this, I will be using an existing design. Once you're in editing page, you will notice these icons on top of the page. This will be available in every page of your design. Say for example, you want to duplicate this page. All you have to do is click this duplicate page icon found on top. So now you have two of the same page. So whatever design you have in the original page, it will be the exact same in the duplicated page. So if you have other pages that you want to duplicate, just do the same process. So just click the duplicate page icon found on top of the page, which will produce the duplicate page. So if you want to delete, just click this delete page icon found right beside the duplicate page icon. And so that is how you duplicate page in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.